everyone, it's Kathy and you're back here on my YouTube channel, Kathy's Random Acts of Stampin'. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located here in Gastonia, North Carolina, and this is another installment of I Didn't Know I Needed to Know That. If you turn with me on page 127, you will see all of our adhesives, and I am going to turn my catalog like this so we can see this a little bit better. So let me zoom you in just a hair, and we're going to center in right here on our two Stampin' Seal adhesives. The two Stampin' Seal adhesives that we have are this one, which is our regular Stampin' Seal, and our Stampin' Seal Plus. Now, any of you that have been watching me know that my favorite is the Stampin' Seal Plus. So I'm going to move the regular Stampin' Seal out of the picture, and we're going to center in on this one. And what our video is going to show you today is, let me go out a little bit, move our catalog over, and I'm going to show you how the easiest way to change your cartridge. Now, when you run out of your Stampin' Seal, you can easily take off your top like this, lift out your cartridge. This is done. As you can see, I've gotten to my red, and this will no longer pull. So I'm going to use my ink pen to turn. Maybe I need a pencil. Something with a little bit bigger end on it. Let's see if this will work. Nope, that's not working. Let's try this. What I wanted to do was show you that once you get to the end of your cartridge, like this, I'm going to wind that around like so. You're going to have quite a bit of a mess. Once it gets to this red, you no longer have adhesive. So this is no longer any good. So what you need to do with this is toss it in the trash. Then when you take out your new cartridge, and these are always done really nice in a Ziploc bag, you're going to open up your bag, take out your new cartridge, and I just realized the easiest way to do this is to lay this in and hold it in the back like that and line these two places up. Snap it in. Once that is in place, then you're going to take your cover and snap that on top of it, put your little piece back on, and you are ready to go. So I have a piece here. I'm going to bring my tape up, and now we are ready to use this piece, or this new cartridge, just like that. So that is ready for me to put into my card base. So now I can line this up just like so, and that is ready to go. So just like that, this cartridge is all done and ready to go, and we are all ready to go. Now, like I said, some people prefer the Stampin' Seal, the regular, and some prefer the Stampin' Seal Plus. I am more of a Stampin' Seal Plus girl. I think it works better. And let me show you why I feel that way. I'm going to bring out just a little scrap of black. The reason I'm going to use black is because this is this you can see it better on. This is our Stampin' Seal Plus. I mean Stampin' Seal. And yeah, to me, it works just a little bit more difficult. Again, if you use that wrist action, you can see it's a little bit stringier, but nonetheless, it is a strong adhesive. So if we needed to lay this down on top of it, that would seal perfectly. Press it. I'm going to tuck that back because I'm going to tear this off or cut it off. I'm just going to use my scissors and cut that off. And then we're going to use this over on this side just to show you. It is a nice strong adhesive and it does hold really well. But for me, I prefer, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this one up because I'm going to center in on using the Stampin' Seal Plus. And I'll show you why. It comes out, let me zoom you in. It comes out like this, and see how sticky that is? And I just prefer this over. I think it works much easier. And let's say we wanted to stick the circle over top of that. We've got a nice adhesive there. And this is just my favorite adhesive. If you needed to pull this off to reposition it, you can for a period of time. The same with this one. You see, this one's a little bit more gooey, whereas this one comes off much cleaner. So let's just stick that back down. Let's rub it. Let's put this one back on and rub it. Now this one's going to become it's going to become more permanent faster. Just like that. So you can see you still have some wiggle room. So I do love my Stampin' Seal Plus. So I just wanted to give you, this was basically, I didn't know I needed to know that. Lining it up on the back side here makes it much easier in putting in your cartridge. So I hope that that's been a helpful little tidbit to all of you, and if it has, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. But this is replacing your cartridge, and I didn't know I needed to know that. So thanks again for tuning in. As I always say in closing, let everything that you do and say bring glory to our Father in heaven. He is worthy. So until we craft again, God bless and keep you. Bye-bye.